Hello, the topic today is managing online quotes and orders. And so we're looking at a service order here with Fred Flintstone, and we have two jobs. One job that's been quoted for tires, and another job that's been quoted that is for brake pads. And so we have this option up here called quotes and orders. And if I go there, you can see that it lists these two quotes, and it also lists some PartsTech messages of some of the things that have occurred. Now, since we haven't ordered any of these, we could still click on one of these links and actually go to the quote at PartsTech. Now, let me go back to the job, and let me order the tires, and then I'm going to show you how quotes and orders changes. So I'm going to select Order Jobs, and of course I could select everything. In this case, I'm just going to select the tires and tell them to send to Bay 3. And now we've successfully ordered those tires, and it shows the parts ordered. If I go back to the jobs view, you'll see that this one shows ordered and the job shows ordered, but this one is still quoted. So now when I go to quotes and orders, you're going to see I still have a quote section. However, I can't go to the Tire Hub quote because it's already been ordered. I have an orders section that shows what's been ordered, and I could go to that order, see more information about it in PartsTech and what's going on with, what's going on with that order. And then I also have the PartsTech messages that show additional information about that order. So this quotes and orders view is very useful as you deal with larger service orders that cover multiple jobs and multiple quotes and multiple orders. So the information is very useful, and from time to time, depending on what your needs are, that may provide useful information for you. Thank you so much.